Welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm your host, Yvette Farrugia. Today, let's have a look at this very colourful wedding cake together. It's great to have you here with us, whether it's your first time joining or if you've been following along from the start. You're in the right place for all things cake business related, from decorating techniques to business advice and mindset tips. We discuss it all. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how we created this colourful 3-tier wedding cake. This design was purely inspired by the bride and we loved bringing her vision to life. To start, we have covered our 3 cakes in a smooth crumb coat of chocolate ganache and used the loyal internal structure system for our centre pole, which you can easily order from Caker's Warehouse. And if you use our code Enchanted10 at checkout, you'll also save yourself 10% on your purchases. To make our blue buttercream, we've used 3 colours, the Pro Gel Sapphire and Navy, and also the Wilton Royal Blue. We've coloured our buttercream the day before, so it has more time to intensify and develop overnight. To cover our cake in the blue buttercream, we start at the top and then cover the sides. Make sure you work fast with a hot metal scraper to smooth out your buttercream sides. The heat from the scraper may cause some slight colour changes to your buttercream, so the quicker you work, the more even the finish you'll end up with. Keep adding your buttercream as you need and keep smoothing away the excess as you go. In our base tier, we have 6 wooden dowels, which we have cut out and spaced evenly to support the middle tier. To create the gold splatter effect, we have mixed together some gold luster dust and rose spirit, which turns it into a paint. Then using our paintbrush, we've loaded it up and then tapped our paintbrush so that it splatters onto the cake. We do this for both the bottom and the top tier, and remember, it's a very messy process. Our top tip for an easy cleanup is to place a layer of cling film on your bench so that the gold paint splatter will land on this and not on your bench, hopefully. The middle tier is covered in soft pink buttercream and we've been using the Colour Mill Rose colour. For this particular cake, we were lucky enough to have the cake flowers with us when we were colouring our buttercream, so we could make sure that our colour palette all complemented each other. To stack our middle tier, firstly we've used the baseboard with a hole in it so it slides easily over the centre pole, and we've inserted 4 wooden dowels into our middle tier, which helps us to position the cake perfectly. Next, we place our top tier onto the middle tier and use ganache to secure them all together. The next detail is to add the chocolate drip. We've coloured our chocolate drip again with the Colour Mill Rose to match the buttercream and spooned it onto our cake. For our complete ganache tutorial, which includes the chocolate drip recipe as well, just come over to our Instagram and comment ganache on any post and we'll send you the link over to our shop. You can also click on the link below in the notes, which will take you there directly. The final touches are adding the stunning florals, which were supplied by Tailor Made Bouquets. Shout out to Donna for the beautiful blooms. So what do you think? Are you going to give this design a try? Make sure you tag us if you do. We'd love to see what you create. We always make our own buttercream for our cakes, so if you're still looking for the easiest and most versatile American-style buttercream tutorial, just click on the link below or head over to Instagram and comment Buttercream, and we will DM the link to our shop where you can purchase ours. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to take a moment to subscribe or even leave us a 5-star review. Until next time, happy caking!